Hey, Kyle Colbert here, and I'm here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and we want to congratulate you on joining the 7-day detox program.
And we are thrilled to have you on this journey with us. Detoxification is one of the most powerful ways to reset your body, restore your energy, and start feeling your best. Over the next 7 days, you'll be supporting your body on a cellular level. Now that you've joined, here are the next steps to make most out of this program. Number 1, print your shopping list. This will help you stock up on everything you need to follow the detox plan without any stress. Number 2, look over the detox recipes. These recipes are not only nutritious, but also delicious. Pick your favorites and plan your meals for the week ahead. Number 3, review your supplements. Familiarize yourself with how and when to take the products in your detox kit, like green Supremefood, FiberZone, and the Nano Glutathione spray. And here's an important tip. Community and connection are key to staying motivated and inspired throughout this journey. I encourage you to join our Keto Zone and 21-Day Detox Facebook community. It's a supportive space where you can share your experiences, get tips, and connect with others on the same path. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for even more content, recipes, and encouragement. Here are the links.
We're here to guide and support you every step of the way during this detox. But remember, it's more than a detox.
Yes, this is a chance to renew, restore, and rebuild your health. We're in this for the long run with you. We're in this together.